What is up, everybody? Hope y'all are all doing well. It's been a minute since I made a video, but today hopefully it makes up for a lot of lost time. So I'm about to take a little road trip to South Carolina. It's about 2 hours away from me. I'm gonna be trading my Ford Performance one-piece drive shaft that I picked up off American Muscle. Originally it said that I could use it on auto cars. Obviously y'all know I'm auto, which is gonna change. I think I decided I want to go a different route, obviously, so that's going to change. And regardless, the drive shaft wasn't going to fit in the car later down the line, so I was like, might as well just get rid of it now. I listed it for sale off Facebook Marketplace. Someone offered me a trade, so we're going to go to South Carolina to go pick up a nice new set of a rear drag pack, and I have a little surprise I didn't show y'all later. Y'all see it. I got a full tank of gas. I know maybe it's about 2 hours. It's 120 something miles. I think I might be able to push it and get there and back without having to fill up. I know by the time for sure I'm gonna have to fill up when I get back. It's 8:22. Let's see what time we can get there. I'm probably gonna make a stop or two because your boy is hungry. So I just woke up about 20 minutes ago. I literally woke up at 8, and I'm gonna just probably stop at QT or something, get something to eat, drink, and keep it moving. Probably throw Joe Rogan on, listen to one podcast, and I should be there. His podcast is long as fuck, so one tank of gas, Joe Rogan, and we're gonna be chilling. Made my one stop, had to get me a little rain. If y'all don't drink these are gas. I'm telling you, you gotta try them. Had a little protein shake, and yeah, so I'm at QT. There's no need to gas up. I mean, like I said, I have a full tank essentially, and let's see what GPS is saying. It says 2 hours 14 minutes, 10:58. I'm gonna get there. I could probably trim some time down off of that, but yeah, I just need something just to stay cracked for a little bit, get me wired while I'm driving. And I can't lie, these get me wired, and I don't crash off them like most pre-workouts. But yeah, so I'm gonna get back on the road. If I see some cool stuff, I'll start recording. If not, y'all will see me once I'm actually getting the drag pack, and all like the transaction and shit. All right, I made one stop at a gas station. I had to get this. These are gas as well. Dude, everybody in South Carolina is so nice. I stopped at this little Bounty Land quick stop. It's actually an Exxon Mobil. I don't know exactly what part of the highway I got off on, but shout out to these people. Super sweet, super nice people. But yeah, I'm about 50 minutes from where I'm getting the drag pack from. So it shouldn't take too much longer, and then I'm gonna be heading home, installing the control arms and getting the drag pack test fitted. So shouldn't be too much longer until you guys can see a little finished product, and then at the end of the video I'll show you guys the little surprise I picked up. Holy crap, guys, I just got so much stuff, more than I thought. So shout out to Scott, the guy who gave me these Mickey Thompson drag radials. He gave me a boost gauge holder and some new fender liners for the car because mine are absolutely trash. So shout out to him. This was worth the drive. 2 hour drive to get all this stuff. So shout out to him. Hopefully can get all this on the car pretty soon. So this is going to be mounted right here like that. That actually looks pretty sick, I can't lie. So that's going to be mounted there. I don't know what gauges I'm going to run just yet, but I'm gonna have that there, and then obviously the fender liners go. I'll put those on when the new bumper finally gets here, which is estimated sometime next week. And then the tires, I'm gonna test fit today when I go put the control arms on. But I'm heading home now. It is about it's 11:30. I need to get some gas in South Carolina, bro. Your gas is stupid expensive compared to Georgia. So I'm gonna gas up real quick. I'm at half a tank. Probably could get home, but I'm not gonna risk it. So I'm gonna gas up and then skedaddle on home. I'm back in Georgia. It really didn't take me that long to get back. I think I left around what was it, like 11 something, like 11:30. I just got some Chick-fil-A. Had to. I'm fucking starving, man. That shake was nothing. So I'm heading to my bro's house and test the drag pack out. And then it's my bro's birthday celebration, so I can't lie, I'm get pretty drunk tonight. So I don't know if I actually finish this video or not. If you see it, Same day that everything got done. But yeah, I'm gonna go eat and then test everything out, get these control arms on, so I can finally fix everything in the rear. I'm hoping the squeaking I have in the rear is just the bushing going bad from the control arm, because I know it's either control arm or sway bars. And I have sway bars next on the list to order. So once those come in, I will have basically all my suspension done, besides some front control arms, and I might need, so when I was talking to Scott, he said I might need a sway bar relocation kit for some clearance. He had a wide body kit on his car, so he didn't really have that issue, because he just messed with the offset a little bit. So we'll see. That's why I got to test fit him today. If everything's good, I'll give him a test run. But I don't want to rock these on the NA3 valve. You know, like I'm making sub maybe 280 to 290 horsepower, so there's no point. So we'll see what we're working with. Finally back home, and the surprise, it's not really a surprise, y'all knew it was coming. I have the complete turbo kit from On3, so that turbo down there is not going to get used anymore. So if anyone wants an 88mm T6 flange turbo, let me know. The actual turbo blow-off valve, all that is in there. All this is the piping. The intercooler is also in there as well, but this is all the hot side piping in here. So it's a complete kit. I got it for a really good price. Everything I need is in here. So all I'm missing to make this kit work is I need to get a new MAF sensor, some spark plugs, and I want to do the On3 fuel pump that runs E85. They have a complete fuel system, so I'm going to get that instead of just buying pieces individually. They have a complete fuel system. I just have to get a fuel rail to work with it. So I'm going to do that. And then I'm also going to sell these 373 gears, because after discussion with Scott, who I just got the drag pack from, he was a big help. He said, do not go past 331s. They're perfect for boost. I have the Mickey Thompsons right here because I don't really have any other space in the garage to put them in. I already had my stock wheels there, so I just figured they're gonna rest with the other ones until I could sell off some more stock parts and clear up some more space. But yeah, I haven't really showed my face this video. I'm sorry if I'm dirty and messy. But yeah, so I appreciate y'all. I know it's been a long time since I uploaded. But yeah, we back. I have a bunch of stuff coming in, so I can finally get some content rolling. Hopefully, I'm thinking now that I actually have a turbo kit, I'm thinking I'm gonna run it, just run it super low boost. But I'm probably gonna do like all the basic stuff to keep sure, or make sure the motor's good. So I'm probably do timing chains, all that, top end stuff, just basic stuff, and then not run it really past like 450 horsepower, just for the sake of the trans and the motor, until I can get another car. So yeah, appreciate y'all tuning in. I missed making videos. It's so nice, and today was a really cool experience going out to another state and get all these parts. The car's looking really good. So I got sway bar relocation kit is what I'm actually going to need to make these tires work. I did test fit them, and they stick out a little bit, but sway bar relocation kit is what I was told I need to make this work. So I'm gonna get that along with either the Ibach sway bars or the Ford Performance ones, one of the two. They're pretty much good from what I've seen. So that's my goal. I appreciate y'all so much, and I'll catch y'all later.